Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. Winter is here and it's time to make a hot pudding-like dessert using a seasonal vegetable. Yes, this video will feature the making of gajar ka halwa. In a thick-bottomed hot pan, take 4 to 5 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Add a kilo of grated carrots and saute on a high flame for 3 to 5 minutes or until the carrots turn pale in color. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. Add half a liter of milk and boil on a high flame until the milk in the dish dries up. If available, use red carrots or deli carrots because these have a sweeter flavor and are much more juicier than the regular variety. You know, the traditional carrot halwa is made by slow cooking grated carrots with full fat milk, which is easy to make but takes some time as all the moisture and liquid from carrots, milk and sugar has to evaporate and then thicken the halwa. Now that the liquid has dried up, add half a cup of sugar and mix this until they are well combined. Some carrot varieties might be sweeter than the others, hence we need to be careful with how much sugar we add to the dish. Try this traditional dish in your kitchen and share your experiences in the comment section below. Add quarter teaspoon of salt. This will enhance the sweetness in the dish. Again, give this a quick mix. Check for the sweetness in the dish now. I'm gonna add quarter cup of sugar as the sweetness is lesser than what is required for the dish. Give this a quick mix. Cook the dish on a high flame until the sugar syrup evaporates. Also remember, keep stirring occasionally to prevent the dish from burning. At this stage, you can also add 200 grams of unsweetened khoa as it will make the dish richer. Since I don't want it to be richer than it already is, I am omitting the khoa. Our gajar ka halwa is ready. Add some almond slivers. You can follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Give this a final mix, and at this stage you can add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder if you wish to. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. You know, this dish originated in Punjab and it is a delicious delight during the winter months. Prepare this dish for special occasions as well as the perfect dessert post regular dinner with the family. Serve this dish hot with or without vanilla ice cream. You know, the grated carrots, milk, sugar and the nuts make this a great choice to fulfill those post-meal dessert cravings. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.